tinanong namin mga kapuso, kung ano yung mga common job interview questions na naranasan nila na medyo parang head scratchers for them. So, siguro as an HR expert, di ba, parang ano ba ibig sabihin ng mga questions na to? Di ba, bakit siya tinatanong? At ano yung, meron bang tamang sagot, if at all, no? So, ang una, ang pinaka-common daw, tell me something about yourself. Yun ang lagi nilang narinig. Sabi nung kapuso, ang simple pero mapapaisip ka kung sino ka ba talaga. Yan. So bakit ba siya tinatanong, Coach?
The reason ko bakit siya tinatanong is gusto namin malaman kung sino ka beyond dun sa nakasulat sa resume mo. And also, it gives us an opportunity to actually see how well you communicate and how well you're able to construct your thoughts when you're trying to tell a story. So basically, you're just telling us a story of who you are, your background, and what you can actually do. Ang pinaka-importante dito, pag tinanong ka niyan, is mag-focus ka sa lahat ng positive skill set experience mo na po pwedeng mo magamit doon sa ina-apply mong trabaho. For example, sinabi, also, can you tell me about yourself? After mong sabihin yung mga konting background of who you are, your family, ganyan, sabihin natin, nag-a-apply ka ng sales. Diba? Sabihin natin, doktora, nag-a-apply ka ng, ng sales. But then, I graduated from this school, I'm the eldest of four, ganyan. Punta ka kagad doon. And you know what? I was very active during my collegiate years. I've been part of a lot of major organizations, not only in my school but also outside. And I was able to build networks. And not to mention that my family, we actually have our business, or our family is known in our area, has a large number of networks. And with this role that I'm applying as a sales agent, I'll be able to utilize this network in my benefit and for the benefit of the organization. Kumbaga doon pa lang, pinoposisyon mo na yung sarili mo na, oo nga, no, malawak pala yung network niya, pwede nga itong mag-sales. Ano pala siya, kumbaga hindi siya mahihirapang mag-prospect na kliyente.
Okay, so in other words, huwag ka magbigay ng throwaway na answer kasi importante din yan. Be strategic. Diba? Tailor your answer na mapipivot back. Diba? Parang yun yan eh. All the questions, kung may sagot ka, ipivot mo back to your strengths. Back to your assets. Dapat meron kang parang, anong narrative ang gusto kong ipahina?
Oo, anong narrative yung gusto mong ibigay. Kasi you have to remember, itong kausap mo, hindi ka kilala. At i-base niya ang hiring decision niya kung ano yung makikita niyang maganda at kaaya-aya sa'yo na angkop doon sa trabahong ina-applyan mo.